This is how cheese is made, from farm to table.
Every piece of cheese begins with fresh milk.
They look good today. Healthy cows produce quality milk for cheese.
Milk collection follows a calm routine.
Modern farms combine care with technology.
Milk must be cooled immediately. Temperature control protects flavor.
Testing begins before milk leaves the farm.
Only approved milk moves forward.
Traceability is essential in cheesemaking.
The journey from milk to cheese begins.
Line it up.
Narrator Milk enters the cheese factory.
Pasteurization protects quality.
Culture added.
Cultures define cheese character.
Milk transforms into curd.
Heat shapes firmness. Whey leaves, curd remains.
Shape begins here.
Pressure creates structure. Cheese is ready to mature.
Time gives cheese its depth.
Rind looks good.
Easter Angor.
Careful handling ensures consistency.
Flavor is tested before release.
Cheese is sized for the market.
Packaging preserves freshness. Traceability stays visible.
That's the last one.
Cheese prepares for delivery.
Cold storage protects quality.
Cheese reaches the shelf.
This is how cheese is made, from farm to table.